lines up against your waist. Okay, this handle goes under the legs. Okay, so 2 handles, right? This is your girth hitch that creates the basket. The girth hitch goes around the back. Okay, so when you say Mr. and Mrs. Smith, okay, just give me 1 second. What you do is you line that up there. Okay, the handle has to go on this way though. Okay, so go ahead and build it. Right. See this? See how you make a girth hitch, right? So that creates your basket and that bites. Okay, right. So now, okay, we can lift you straight up. We support the back. Okay, we just go straight up. 1, 2, 3. Up. All right. We just hold you in place. All right. And there you go. Okay. All right. Now we'll put you down. Put this chair in there. Okay. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Yeah. All right. So now, so now, what we could also do here is if you have somebody go to their house and like, hey, I just slipped, I don't have the strength to stand up. Okay, we can go ahead and do this. Just make sure that you're still. Oh, that's okay.
That's okay. Tony Brady.
The swallow will go down a little bit.
There you go. Yeah, they just bend. They don't break. So what we do here, okay, is you're gonna take your hand like this. I'm just gonna stand you up. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. Wow. And you say, okay, we'll leave you alone now.